Always refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more detail on the processes shown in this video. Before installing any FG110 mini tiller accessories, turn off the engine switch and disconnect the spark plug wire. All 4 aerator tines are the same shape and size. Slide on the first tine with the hub facing away from the transmission. Install the second tine with the hub facing in. Secure the tines by installing the lock pin. Then install the aerator tines on the other side in the same manner. Reconnect the spark plug wire, reinstall the fan cover, and you're ready to go.